Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to learn vocabularies that are related to time and life? Good, I'm so ready to teach you. If you want to sound like a real advanced English student from now on, this video and this lesson are right to improve your active vocabulary. And there is also passive vocabulary, which means when you see the word, you can hardly recognize the word's definitions. However, I want all of these words were in your active vocabulary. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Continue watching this video, guys. Before we start the video, guys, I want to say that every single week English with Edith releases a new video, a new lesson for you guys. So, for not missing out my new videos and my lessons, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button and leave a comment down below. That's very important. So if you're ready, let's get started. Our first word will be time will tell. Simply means "Вaqt görkedir." In Russian, "Время покажет." You need an example? Okay. Time will tell what's good or bad. Dinge вaqt görkedir. Nämen goğduny, nämen erbetdigini. Another example? Okay. Nobody knows what will happen in the future. Only time will tell. Hiç kim gelecekte näme boljagyny bilenok. Diňe wagt görkedir. Time will tell, wagt görkedir.
Only time will tell how we remember.
And our second word will be on and off. Köpüňiz aýtdan bolmagy mümkin. On and off sözüni time söyleme yok. Take it easy guys. Köşüşüň aýtjak. On and off sözüniň manysyna time bilen biraz baglanşyk bar. Biraz öňdäl ýani köp baglanşyk bar. It has a connection with a time in meaning. For example, I wash my hands on and off, which means вaqtal. In Russian, время от времени. In English, from time to time. Now, example, I wash my hands on and off because around us you can see COVID-19, so be careful from that. That's a tip number 1.
Not the entire time, but on and off throughout.
And our next word is play for time. Play for time in Turkmen means "Hovlukman waqt geçirmek." In Russian, "Tянуть время." I've got a brilliant example. You know, there was a match between Manchester United and Young Boys. I know most of the people are fan of football. That's why I know. I also watch football. And Young Boys at the end of the match played for time because they were winning their opponents. Young Boys oyunun sonuna yani oyunu geçirmek için hovlukman wagt geçirmek için oynadılar. Şoňa play for time diýilýär. Hovlukman wagt geçirmek için. Okay? Makes sense?
Let them know it's to play for time.
Our next fourth word is have all the time in the world. Have all the time in the world simply means boş wagtyň köp bolmaly. Yani you have a lot of time to do things that you want, that you got to do. For example, these days I don't go to any other English courses. That's why I have all the time in the world. That's it.
I have all the time in the world.
Alright, let's go with the number 5. Number 5 is it is high time. It is high time simply means something needs to happen now. In Turkmen, that means bir zadyň bolmagy üçin edil wagty. For example, it is high time you both grew up. Maybe your parents used to tell you, it is high time you both grew up. Bolinni, size de ulary wagtyny diýen bolmaklary mümkin ata-eneniz.
That's why it's high time that you had a super suit.
And the next word is take your time. Now, take your time simply means use it to tell someone not to hurry. Example, okay. Hey Meret, take your time. We've got loads of time. You don't need to hurry. Take your time in Turkmen means birine hovlukma diýip aýtmak. Okay? Take your time, hovlukma. Makes sense? Okay, let's go with the number 7. Number 7 is kill time. Kill time is my favorite one from this video. Kill time simply means wastes of time. Vaktini bir direktatlara sarf etmek. For example, if you go on the net or internet, if you go on the internet all the day, you are wasting your time. You are killing your time. Eğer siz internette günlük köp bir ýan bolsaňyz, onda siz öz wagtyňyzy bir direktatlara köp sarf etdiňiz. Tip number 2 is don't go on the net always. That's the tip number 2. Be realistic and stay at the real world. Okay, let's go with the number 8. Number 8 is no time to lose. The direct translation into Turkmen is boş vaktim yok. Example, my friend asked me to play football with him, but I answered, hey Paul, I don't have any time to play football right now. I must finish this lecture, then maybe we can go and play football. But now I can't, sorry. Number 9 is for good. Maybe some of you think for good, the direct translation into Turkmen maybe golu için. No. For good means hemişelik. For Russian speakers, it is navstigda. And also for English speakers, it is forever. For example, maybe this time he's gone for good. Belki bu edegam çınlanam hemişelik gidenler. We don't know that. For good means hemişelik.
We race. And the loser leaves town for good.
Let's go with the number 10. Number 10 is dead on time. Dead on time, have you heard about it before? No? Okay, I'll make it clear, guys. Dead on time simply means exactly on time. Now, in Turkmen it means edil vaktinde. For example, for instance, today I managed to reach school dead on time. Otherwise, our teacher tells of the students, tells of the latecomers. Direct translation is bugün mektebe vaktinde barıp yetişeydim. Yoksam bolmasa moğlumuz käýärdi. Moğlum gice alıp gelen okuwçylar käýä. That's the tip number 3. Never be late for school. Guys, that's all the vocabularies that are related to time. Now, let's switch our discussion to the vocabularies that are related with life. First of them is a cushy life. A cushy life simply means a very easy life. That you can sleep every time and money comes to you directly, automatically. For example, most of the people think that millionaires have a very cushy life. Köp adamlaryň pikiriçe millionerlerin ören aňsat ýaşaýyşy diýip pikir edýärler. But in fact, they don't. They are always nervous. They have to find out the solution of their problems like many other people. A cushy life demek ören aňsat ýaşaýyş. Başgaça aýdylanda ýatyp gadan bermeli durmuş. Let's go with the number 2. Number 2 is to bet your life. In Turkmen, it has a direct translation. To bet your life means canın ortağa koymak. 3 is third time lucky. Third time lucky simply means işten puç. Third time lucky, third time lucky, third time lucky, third time lucky. And the tip number 4 is gonna be don't wait until the end. Don't wait to the third time lucky. Okay? Let's go with the number 4. Number 4 is see life. Direct translation is köp bulatlar baştan geçirmek. For example, to have much experiences about the life. Anyway, we came to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching and make sure to subscribe, like this video and share this video. That's very important. I love you all and take it easy, guys.